Tonight we're going to do up some drumsticks, chicken. We're going to cook it up on the grill, a ceramic cooker, and come back in just a second. We'll get this thing going. We'll inject them, season them, and get them on some fire. Okay, to start off, we're going to inject these with some Creole butter. This is a really good poultry injection, and it comes with a free injector right on the side of the bottle. It doesn't take a whole lot. You'll feel them plump up in your hand. But we'll add some seasoning down into the meat, and that's what we're after. Okay, I don't know if I said before, but the injection that I'm using here is Tony's Chaudhary injectable Creole butter, and it's some good stuff. It comes with the injector right on the side. So anyway, we're going to season these up here. I'm going to use some Chaudhary. We're going to put some good old chicken seasoning on here. This is Canadian style. And some garlic. I'm going to toss these around. Try to get them covered all over. The injection that I had left over after I got done injecting all of these, I just poured on them. Kind of used it for a binder, kind of like glue to hold the seasoning on. So that's pretty much about all there is to it. I might wash my hands and give them another coat and toss them some more, but you get the basic idea. These things are just about ready to go on the grill. Okay, we're out here at the grill. It's up to 400 degrees, and we're just going to put our chicken in. Now, the way I set this up, there's so much chicken. I would normally done, a hot zone and a cool zone, but I put the smoker plate in the bottom, so that way I'll have the room to just put the chicken everywhere. At least that's the plan. Hopefully we don't run out of room. This best sizzle. Alright, we're going to look at these. They've been on here probably 5 or 10 minutes. Just want to make sure that they aren't going to burn. They aren't sticking, so I can use my tongs. So we're just going to rotate them. Probably have to keep them moving throughout the cook, put them in different locations. Just try to keep the skin from burning. We're going to take these to about 165 internal. And I'm just going to stand here and keep doing this. Don't walk away from it. The cooker's still running about 350 or so. So 325 is really what I was going for. But when dealing with charcoal, you deal with what you got. So we're running just a little bit under 400. That's where we're going to go. That's where we're going to be. So they're looking good. Come back in a few minutes and check in on them again. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes or so. We're just going to keep rotating these. Probably here in 10 or 15 minutes we'll check and see what the internal temperature is. I'm going to check the temp on these real quick. I don't think they're close yet, but better safe than sorry. Actually, that one's at 142. They are getting close to being done. Alright, well we're just going to keep rotating. These are done. We're going to stick them in the warming box. Now they got done. They're all separate pieces of meat, and like I said, every piece of meat cooks separate. They're different. So I just kept probing them. You don't want to probe up against the bone. I took them all at least in the 170s. And we're going to stick these in the warming box for just a little bit. Let the juice settle back into the meat, and then we'll put some barbecue sauce on them. We'll be ready to eat. Alright, we're going to take a bite of this. Now you can use your favorite barbecue sauce, mix barbecue sauces together, and see what it tastes like. Really good. You can taste the charcoal. You can tell it's cooked on the grill. and it's done all the way through. Which gets back to what I told you about. Make sure you get your get that chicken up. I get it in the mid 170s. It's still juicy and it's not bloody, and you're not going to make anybody sick. So, see you next time. Till then, eat it.